What's up, YouTube family and friends? It's your girl Leek with all things Leek the Nail Geek. Today I'm doing another manicure video. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification, and let's get started. My nails are already prepped. Right now I'm just putting some primer on there, and I'm going to do that for all 4 fingers and my thumb. You want to make sure that you do the entire nail bed and get the free edge as well. And of course I did speed up this process. And then we're going to go in with the base coat. And we're going to do that for the entire hand. Again, capping the free edge, that is important. That'll make sure that your manicure lasts the actual 2 weeks or longer. And then we're going to cure for 30 seconds. And as you saw, that was kind of fast. I did a clip of the color that I'm using. You can go to my website and see that. That's LiqueTheNailGeek.com. And we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. And this beautiful, beautiful black glitter. Oh, just love it. I'm going to do that for the accent finger, the ring finger. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds as well. Come back for the second coat of all. I'm going to make sure we're pulling that glitter. Glitter gel is hard to work with, guys. So you have to definitely make sure that you're not getting any on your skin. And if you're, or any gel for that matter on your skin, clean it up with some acetone if so, before you cure it. Now I'm doing the second coat of the color to make it more opaque. Definitely capping that free edge because I want my manicure to last. You see that? And then we're going to cure between 30 to 60 seconds and go in with the top coat now. Now the reason why it's 30 to 60 seconds is because we're using black. Your dark colors mainly need more curing time. So you want to keep that in mind, and glitter as well. Capping the free edge. You see that shine that top coat is putting on that manicure? That is awesome. Love it. Alright, here's the finished manicure. Love. Thumbs up the video, comment below, and until next time, bye.